Hey everybody, this is Ron, and if I'm looking just a tad bit scruffy, there's actually a really good reason for that. And the reason is I have gotten a package from the good people over at Groomie. This is their head shaver and 7-part shaving kit. And I've kind of let it go for a couple days to give this thing a shot. So we're going to open this up. We're going to see all what came with it, some other goodies that they sent me. Then we're going to hop on over to the bathroom and we're going to give it a whirl. So let's get into it. So this is the box right here. Nice, sleek, black design. We're all born bald, baby. Isn't that the truth? Got the logo over here. If we flip it around to the back, you got a picture. Get everything that you need right here, everything that comes in it. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what's going on. So right off the bat, I do sincerely love that they call you Baldy, because, I mean, hey, they're not wrong. There's a reason we bought this, right? So if you flip this over, before your first use, how to use it, how to clean it out, everything that you're going to get in there. And look at that. Get a nice little 15% off your next purchase. That's nice of them. So I'm going to set that right here. And here we go. Let's dig in. So let's start off. This is the man himself. This is the Baldy Pro head shaver. And this is the attachment. And all you got to do, pop that right in. Press this little button right here. And look at that. If you see that right there, this LED display actually tells you how many more minutes of power that you have left. So this has 88 minutes of power left. That's pretty nifty. You turn it off, it'll tell you how many minutes that you have used it. To take it off is super easy. You just give it a nice little tug. We can put that right back in there. And let's get into the other goodies that they got us. So here is the hair and beard trimmer. Obviously this is always necessary. You're always going to need one of these. And you've got 3 different sizes of the guards right here. Those are pretty great. And of course, no shaving kit is complete without the nose and hair trimmer. This is 100% necessary. You always need one of these. And then this is probably my favorite little part of it. They have included an exfoliating brush and a pre-shave massage brush. So if you look at that, all you got to do is take one of these and you slap it right into this guy here, and then you throw it onto the head shaver. This is pretty nifty. This is great. I will definitely be using these. Now, along with all the goodies that came in this box, they were also nice enough to send me a few other things, and I'm going to show you guys those right now. So, starting off, this is their deodorant. It's 100% natural, lemongrass and marjoram. You know what? I'm going to give this a whiff right now. Honestly, here we go. That's good. That's good. I'm excited to try that out. That does smell really good. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next is the aftershave serum. If you shave your head, you absolutely know the necessity of a good aftershave. That skin up there is really sensitive, and this thing can be a lifesaver. I'm really excited to see how this works. And last but not least, natural pre-shave oil. I'll be honest, I have never actually used any kind of pre-shave oil or anything pre-shave of any kind. So this will be interesting. I'm excited to see how this works and how this helps out. So this is everything that came in the box. You've seen it. Now we're going to hop over to my bathroom and we're going to shave. All right, so we're here. I have it. We're all set up. Let's get going. So I'm going to start off with this, the pre-shave oil. Let's see. I bet this is going to smell amazing. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, it does. There we go. This is great. Oh, my God, that does smell good. That's great. Oh, man. It's another great thing about this razor is you can do it with the shave oil, you can do it with shaving cream, or you can do it completely dry if you want to. It's completely mess-free, and that is awesome, especially if you're on the go. If you're somebody like me who travels a lot, man, that is a big help. All right. Feel like we got enough on there. All right. I'm nice and shiny. There we go. Let's go. Let's just start with the top here. That feels really good. Oh, man. Wow. Huh. Yeah. All right, so the top, that took me no time at all. That feels good. I got everywhere. Yeah? Yeah? All right, so boom. Easy part done. This is the easy part, because this is the part that goes away. All right. Now, let's get to the rest of it. This feels really good. It's almost soothing. Wow. Whoa. All right, so right off the bat, that's crazy smooth. I mean, this is what it feels like when I shave with a razor blade against the grain. That feels great. Oh my God, let's tear up the rest of this head. I'll do this. We'll do a nice side-by-side comparison. There we go. Get all in there. Oh yeah. Okay, so I am halfway done, officially. And you can already tell this hasn't been touched. Look at this. Look how smooth that is. Boom, boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Oh my God, that took me no time at all. Like that, I mean, that was nothing. Wow. Okay, let's finish this up. I guarantee you this is going to take no time. That feels so good. Man, that is smooth. It's almost kind of therapeutic in a way. Yeah, there we go. Getting to the end here, home stretch. Look at that. Easy peasy. Oh my God, we are pretty much done. Look at that. Man, we tore through this, didn't we? Oh yeah, man. You know what? We always do one last sweep, just for good measure. There's usually a spot or two that you forgot to get. I think that's it. This feels good. Yeah. Don't think I missed any spots. Yeah, this is great. And that was what? That took me no time. That what? Even with stopping to talk to you guys, it was what? Tops 3 minutes? That's it. Wow. I mean, this is super smooth. This is super smooth. I think it only took me about 3 minutes to shave my head. That's great. I mean, this thing is awesome. And it's waterproof. That's great. 10,000 RPMs. It's got this amazing ergonomic design. I mean, look at that. It's easy to clean. You just open these guys up, put some water in there. I mean, this is great. I highly, highly recommend this. You know what? We're going to use this deodorant. That's what we're going to do. Get that up. Oh, man. God, that smells so good. That does smell really good. I'm going to tear through this deodorant bar. Absolutely. Man. So that's it. I think we're just about set. I've only got one more thing to do. We going to hit it with some aftershave. Because of course. Oh, yeah. Absolutely necessary. God, this all smells so good. I really wish you guys could smell this right now. This is great. I think we're just about all set. This is great. I mean, I highly recommend the Groomie. If you're somebody who's bald, especially if you're somebody who's bald, who's always kind of on the go or short on time, this is great. This is an absolute game changer. I love it. This is great. Groomie head shaver. Go to Groomie. Go buy everything they have. Subscribe to everything they have. This is awesome. Thank you so much to them for sending me this. And thank you so much to you guys for watching. So, stay bald.